Guys, this is Ask Anastasia and I continue showing houses. Just to show you street, it's quiet, I would say, and this is a house. You can see the information if you like to contact agent. Let me show you how it's look. It has a driveway, which is really nice. It's also fenced. Neighbors' house are really nice. And our agent is already here, so let's go in. So somebody is there? Okay. Okay, so I'm not sure if we can go around. Just
Looks like a pretty nice clean place.
yep. Are you familiar with the area at all? Like, because I think that price it's really low,
Yeah.
and they're gonna have.
Hello, Papa Baker.
So you walk into the kitchen, which is kind of small, but it's pretty clean. I don't see that something needs to be done here. Just repair cabinets. Okay. And you're walking into the living room, I would say. And this is a basement access. It's really interesting. It's really interesting. Okay. And we have one bedroom here. And I'm not sure what is this room here, but one more bedroom here. I'm just trying to see windows. Yeah, it's nice windows. And look at this one. I'm not sure what's going on with heating here.
I think it's like steam heat.
Steam heat?
I think so, because of all
Yeah.
this. I'm pretty sure.
And one more room here.
Yes.
Really interesting, huh?
Very.
Okay. So walking in one room, second room, third room, fourth room. Oh, or no, this was a kitchen. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 3 bedroom and a living room.
So it just wraps all the way around?
Oops. And you can go upstairs too.
Wow.
Some work need to be done here. And you have one more room. Right here.
Is that another bedroom?
Yep. But need work. And another bedroom. And this one definitely needs work. Okay. So this house is listed for 45,000. I'm gonna try to go in the basement and see what's going on there. But let me know if you think it's a good investment. Thank you.